Does it all here. This is Dr. Munn. I am going to get started with a comparison of a MacBook Air M1 first generation Apple Silicone comparing to a old Windows 10 computer that I built myself back when I was in medical school actually. It is a Core i7 with a pretty puny graphics card, and then we're going to compare that to a Surface Laptop Go 2nd generation by Microsoft. We're going to be using the default video editing software. So with Mac, we're going to be using iMovie, and then on the two window computers, we're going to be using clipchamp, which is the new Microsoft editing software. So what I'm going to do first is just show you quickly the differences between iMovie and clipchamp so you can see how easy it is to create a video based off of this. Alright, so here is this project that I was working on for work recently. So we will get out of here and we're going to create a new movie. And we are going to import. See, I'm still new to Apple. I'm getting used to this, but I do like the iMovie. No, that's not working. Looks like I just have to click here, huh? So we'll go to the desktop. Alright, let's select all these. So I have one video file, 3 audio files. What we're going to do is the exact same thing on all 3. We're going to create a movie with 3 of these. So done. And then we're going to import the songs into them. We're going to keep it simple. Whoa. Alright. Let's bring this song over here. Bring this song over here. We'll select these and we'll paste them. Alright, we'll get rid of that one since we don't need it. And this one we're going to trim just to the end of the movie. Alright, so this is an 8-minute movie. So, it's as simple as that. I'm not going to do any title screens. This is mainly just going to be comparing the efficiency of the computers. As you can see, it is plugged in, it's at 100% battery. So we're going to save this, which I don't think is very intuitive. We're going to do the share button, and we're going to export file, and we're going to create a 1080p file on both of these, or sorry, all 3 of these computers. So it estimates that it's going to take about 8 minutes. So there we go. That's the movie creation. I'm going to hit pause here for a second, and I'll come back in after we get the other computers all set up, and we're going to have a race to get them going. Alright, here we are on a Windows computer. We're going to see how clipchamp compares to iMovie in the editing process. I would not call myself a super user by any mean, but just barely touching the surfaces when I come to these, and I don't know which one is better or worse. I do feel like iMovie has a little bit more intuitive process when it comes to some things, but really they're pretty close. I think Microsoft has done a good job with making the decision to buy clipchamp. Let's get 1, 2, 3 of these. There we go. Now let's add the audio. Make sure to bring this back to the beginning. 1, Okay, whew, that was intense. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is all set up. I'm gonna go get it set up on the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and then we'll have a comparison. Maybe some of you will figure out what I did before I did. But as I was creating these movies, somehow I had shortened the clip. So this first movie is only 3 minutes long when it's supposed to be a 4-minute clip. So I'm gonna remove the movies. Let's just start from scratch. Alright, so here we go. There's 1, 2, 3. Alright, 12 minutes. This is better. This is what the Windows was showing. Alright, so now let's do the audio. There we go. Right. Where was that? There we go. Add those to it. Add it to it again. Edit that. Let's trim this up. Alright, there we go. More snapping is going on in the iMovie compared to Windows. Alright, so here we go. Now we have a 12-minute video, just like the other one. Let's go ahead and get ready for the race. I'm going to have this all ready to go. Okay, we got them all set up. iMovie has a few more formats that are available. Kind of easier to see how it's going to be outputted. Output. Here's the windows. We just have one option here, which is the 1080p. We'll do the same thing over here to 1080p. So all of them will be output to 1080p. I only have 2 hands here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get started on the oldest computer, which is here. 5 seconds for the other one, so on the mark, a second go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go. 1, oh, it's not going, it's not going. Alright, we're going to reset this. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna get started. So, when this hits 5 seconds, I'm gonna hit start on the MacBook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is going. You can see right up here. And then when this hits 15 seconds, we're gonna hit go over here, go. All right. So now we got everything going. We're at 20 seconds. You can see that that's at least started. And over here, you can see that that one's working. And then over here, you can see that that one's cooking. So, here we go. Getting close to 50% on the MacBook. We are at 12% on the old desktop computer that does have a video card. And over here, we are at 5%. It estimates about 30 minutes remaining, 15 minutes remaining, and my guess is that this one probably has like 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes remaining. All 3 are going. So I think the estimates on all of them were quite off. The MacBook, what did it estimate? 8 minutes? I guess who knows, maybe the estimation is going to be correct on the Windows, but it's just going to take a lot longer. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Oh, and we're done over here. I missed it. It just finished. Okay, so we're at less than 2 minutes Maybe I can go back on the video and see when it popped up. But we are only at 12% and 21%. So completed the task and it created a video that was 188.8 megabits. So we'll be able to see how it compares to the Windows compression. Here we are, we're getting close to 5 minutes. We're at 34%. We're at 27%. All right, we're gonna come back when this hits around 10 minutes. All right, we are getting close to the 10-minute mark. We're at 62%. It estimates about 7 minutes left. I would say that seems about accurate.
Over here, I pulled up the performance chart. We'll come back to that. So over here, we're at 53%, and it estimates about 9 minutes. So this is about 10% behind the desktop computer. About 3 minutes behind it estimates.
I guess we'll see how good the estimation is because we got the timer up here, the stopwatch. Now, I do want to just see how well it is utilizing it. So I pulled up the performance view, and it's using about 37% of the GPU and only 19% of the CPU. All right, here we go. It is utilizing about 11% of the CPU, and of course there's no, integrated graphics, it's using about 16%. You know, it doesn't utilize a lot of the CPU either. All right, down here, you can see the CPU load just does not look like it's really struggling now. If we click, it's not clicking, whoa. There we go. That's pretty cool. So this was, all right, it took about 17 minutes. I think that's fairly close to what it was estimating. That's the one thing that this had over the MacBook then. Maybe the MacBook was about 20 times more efficient. Maybe it was about 20 times quicker. But its estimation was off. This one way slower, but at least the estimation is close. All right, while we are waiting for the Surface Laptop Go 2 to finish, let's just see how the video file came out. So this video file is 184, and just to refresh our memory, the MacBook, it came out to 188 megabytes. So pretty close, slightly more compact over here. All right, guys, 23 minutes. It just barely finished over here. So there you go. Well, interesting. 255 megabytes for the same video, and over here, I think I already trashed it. But it was 154, yeah, 154. So this one, the new laptop created a movie that was about 100 megabytes larger than the desktop. Very interesting. So let's wrap up. The MacBook Air was pretty incredible. This little thing knows how to convert video. I know that that's not all it can do. It has got great reviews online from almost everyone. The power efficiency is also huge. I'm thinking about using it as a Plex server. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2 just could not compare in terms of speed or to file compression size. Once again, the file that came out of the MacBook Air was about 188 megabytes, and on the Surface Laptop Go, it came out to around 250, so just incredible. The old desktop computer that I created, the file size was roughly similar to the MacBook.
Alright, so the winner is obviously the Apple MacBook M1. Last place was the Surface Laptop Go 2. So, good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I hope to keep making just random videos all the time. Until next time, we'll see you later.